Hello guys. Today we will know what you need to know before enrolling in school.
Yeah, we'll know all about this.
This is the train. Let's ride the train.
Yeah, hurrah!
Oh, yes.
This is the bus.
Let's learn with bus.
This is a police car. Don't break any rules.
Okay, Dad. Don't worry, Teddy. I'll save you.
Woo, woo.
Yee, we will clean the trash.
Thank you, kids.
You're healthy, Dad.
Great doctors. Welcome to the city, passengers.
You're a funny tour guide.
1 scoop or 2.
2, please. Look what we found.
Let's take a ride around the farm.
Yeah, we will deliver the letters.
Thank you for the mail.
Let's make it tall.
Almost done.
Teamwork makes it strong.
Let's build a castle.
Yeah, good idea.
It's a birthday present.
We did it.
Go. You can do it. Don't not give up here. Careful, it's getting tall.
Almost touching the sky.
Let's put Teddy on top.
Ready to roll!
Welcome home, little friend.
Great teamwork!
Deliver bouquets to Dad.
You made my day. Did you enjoy the journey?
Yeah, Dad.
You'll never catch me.
We're the fastest. We're racing.
I'm winning.
It's so breezy.
More faster, Dad.
Who's ready?
We are, Dad. Take this.
Oh, HH, this one is mine.
Look at this masterpiece.
Yeah, Dad. We can see. Look, over there.
Say cheese.
Vroom, vroom.
And they're off.
Jump, jump.
Monster stomp.
Hello, everyone.
What a fun day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends.